Hi, I'm Tiffany from Tiffany's Crafts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do some basic stitches. Single crochet, a chain, double crochet, half double crochet, and treble crochet. And I'm also going to demonstrate how to hold the yarn in your hand for left hand and for right hand. And thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoy the music, it is from my other page called Tiffany Juliet, which is my beautiful harp music. And if you enjoy listening to beautiful harp music, please feel free to watch my page that's got lovely scenic videos of nature and harp music. Thank you for watching. There are several different ways to make a slip knot, and I'll show you the way that I like to make mine. So a slip knot is used to attach yarn to your crochet hook, and I'll show you how to do that again. And it's easy to take the slip knot just pull it apart like that. And I like to make a little X here on my fingers with the yarn. I put my crochet hook down, and then I put the hook up through here like that. I'll show you again. Just make an X with your yarn with your two fingers. And now you're going to have a loop on your crochet hook. I'll show you how to do a chain. And what I usually do is to hold the yarn is I put the yarn through my finger, my pinky, and then over my second finger. So you're going to do this to make a chain. You want your chain stitches to be kind of loose, so then if you were doing rows and crocheting in the rows, you want to be able to get your crochet hook through the loops of your chain. Okay, so now you have your chain here. We're going to do a single crochet, So to do a half double crochet, I'm going to yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, now we have 3 loops on our crochet hook. We're going to yarn over. Yarn over just means that you're going to take your material and you're going to put your hook over the material like that. And you're going to pull through all 3 loops. And that is how you do a half double crochet. And a half double crochet is abbreviated HDC, a capital HDC or lower HDC. And when working in a row, we're going to do a turning chain. So we're going to chain 2 to create our turning chain. Then we're going to flip our work over to this side. And we're going to go into the 3rd stitch, which is this one. So when we turn the piece, you always want to skip the 1st stitch at the beginning of the row, because the turning chain, which is right here, this chain that you did, is counted as the 1st half double crochet of your row. So we're going to yarn over and go into the 3rd stitch, and then we're going to yarn over, and we're going to go through all 3 loops. And we're just going to keep doing that and creating our rows. And that's how you do a half double crochet in US terms. In this demonstration, I am going to show you how to crochet a treble triple stitch. Treble stitch and triple stitch are both the same thing. And thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube page, Tiffany's Crafts. To wrap around twice. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through. Then you're going to have 4 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and you're going to pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 loops. And you've made your first